Hey guys, Paymon here. Now that we're getting started with the group buy, what I wanted to do for the Arduino, what I wanted to do was give you guys a little demonstration of the latest software. I know a lot of people are probably looking at the group buy, wondering, what we're going to be selling here. What I've done is I've gone ahead and connected the Arduino to the OBD2 port underneath the steering wheel. And now when you first plug in the Arduino, what you're going to get is a little welcome message here showing the version of the software. Your first mode is going to be some data that's on the ECU. One of the cool features, I'm going to turn on the light here, is I'm going to go ahead and use my steering wheel controls. I'm going to push down on the steering wheel control, and as you can see, it changes the display for the Arduino. So again, I'm going to go ahead and push down, down again, down again. And I can do the same thing when I go up. I'm just going to go back one, and back, and back. By pressing cancel, I'm going to be switching over to a different mode. The next mode is going to be miles per gallon, but I'm going to go ahead and skip it. I'm going to skip all the way over to the tire temperature and pressure monitors. So I'm going to press cancel, 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 and now we're on tire pressure mode. So again, using my controls here, tire 2, tire 3, tire 4. Now this mode has an alternate. What that means is I can access the alternate by holding down cancel. So if I hold down cancel, it switches over to wheel temp. So there you go, tire 4 temperature, tire 3, tire 2, and again, hold down cancel, I'm going to go back to wheel pressure. Now one thing I want to stress is, as you can see, we're using the cruise control buttons here. And this is something I've tried to describe in the past, but I want to go ahead and demonstrate. Right now, cruise control is not set, it's not on standby, it's completely off. If I go ahead and press on off, I have cruise control on standby. What's going to happen is now, when I press any of these buttons here, it does not do anything to the Arduino. This allows you to go ahead, control cruise control when it's on, and then when cruise control is shut off, it will go back to controlling the Arduino. So that's your text mode right there. And now, to edit this text, it can be done on the PC or even right here. So again, I'm going to hold cancel. Puts us to edit text mode. Pressing up and down on cruise control. And now that's stored right into memory. So when you go ahead and shut off a device, turn it back on, it'll be back. Something for the S2 guys, if you go ahead and change your stereo, you're not going to have a clock. You're not going to have the buttons to control the clock anymore. I've added a feature onto the Arduino that you can go ahead and set the clock right from your controls here. We've got a trouble code reader. So as you can see, the ECU is throwing back both none and P with 4 zeros. You'd see the same thing if you plug in an OBD2 scanner. We've got a sniffer. What that means is if you connect the Arduino to a PC right now, you'd see all the information that's being dumped right from the ECU. It's pretty much all the PIDs that are currently being spit out. And the last mode, system off. Once the system off, the Arduino goes into a sleep mode and removes all display. I hope this demonstration did a good job of showing you guys what the Arduino is, what it does, and all the cool features that it does have for you. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me a note on the forums. This is Paymon Soronajad. Thank you for checking out the Arduino.